So today we're gonna harvest some of the leftover ube that we have in our pot. I think we need to harvest now because they're getting bigger para makapagtanim na ulit kami ng bagong seedlings. Magamit na ulit namin yung mga container for new crops. Ngayon yung mga ginamit namin na containers, gagamitin na namin ulit yan. Kailangan ng harvestin yung... Here. Don't drop it. So not bad. The size is not bad. So ginagamit namin soil is loose para madaling ma-harvest. So, sa isang tub na 25 gallon, ito yung na-harvest namin. And normally, pag tinimbang mo to mga 15 pounds. 15 pounds siya sa isang 25 gallon. Depende. Yan. So, yan yung na-harvest namin. Okay na yan kung sa isang stub maka-harvest ka ng ganyang karami. Meron kaming halos 40 na container. Yun yung malaki. Wow, that one is big. This one is starting to develop again. The roots, look, hon. You notice? That's why Dad said if you don't harvest, you can leave it there and it will regrow.
Just like
It will keep
when the leaves die out, the root not dying, it's going to regrow.
So it will get bigger and bigger. But I wanted to harvest so we can eat it. I think this one is big. You know, I think the tubers, it develop big because we make a good trellis here. It's more higher trellis. So it's good for the tuber. Wow, that one is big. How many pounds?
5 at least.
Wow.
5, 6.
Oh, wow, this one is big one. Yeah, that's what Dad said. If the higher the trellis you give, the better for the tubers.
That's why you gotta plant it high.
Yes.
Because the tubs is not really deep. You gotta plant them high. That's why I make a mound on the top.
Yeah.
There's
There's one more.
That's how you plant cassava. That's how you plant potato. That's how you plant ginger. Wheelbarrow.
Wheelbarrow.
Yeah. This one is regrowing.
That one is growing already. I know.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this one is what you're talking about.
Look at this, see? Big. Like mine. It's hanging. Save that part.
Yes, I know. Ay, it's an odd shape, but it's fine.
Like Photoshop.
Yes.
This is new. It's like a lily.
Oh my God, this is. I did.
you part of it to see them all.
I think it's fine.
You have to clip it. You have to clip it.